Do you enjoy working with legacy code? Why I'm asking is, nowadays I would assume all your clients are asking to do this to help them to tackle the legacy code, so you get a lot of experience just working with legacy code. But do you get really sick of it?
And, it goes in phase. I've been doing this for a long time, so it goes in phases, right? There'll be times I'm just very sick of it, and I basically think about other things, even though I do the work with clients. But yeah, it's really kind of expanded out into a number of things. But there's a lot of aspects of it that I really do still enjoy because it's like solving a puzzle in a way. When somebody hands you a function that has like the nesting is like 7 levels deep, and you've got variables all over the place, and you don't really know what's going on. One quote that I always go back to is Ralph Johnson, who was one of the early, he was one of the co-authors of the original book, Design Patterns from 1975, that introduced the entire notion of design patterns in the industry. And he said that when you're refactoring, it's kind of like you have this window and you're wiping it clean with a rag. And the thing is that the more that you wipe, the clearer it becomes, right? And it's kind of like the same thing happens with like a large class or a large function. As you start to extract pieces, then you're starting to go and basically discover what the real structure is underneath. So it's almost like this, it's almost like archaeological excavation, right? You go out in the field and you start digging, and it's like, oh, suddenly there's a city hidden beneath all of the grime and the mud, and you get to explore that city. So I think there is this aspect where it can be kind of exciting to do this.